Today we are going to be making a super simple, easy dinner, Taylor ham and eggs. What is that? It's a very New Jersey thing. Taylor ham is actually the name of the pork roll, but it's the brand name, and depending on what part of New Jersey you live in, some people call it pork roll sandwich, some call it Taylor ham and egg. But what is Taylor ham? It's almost like if bologna and Spam got together, had a baby, and made this deliciousness of this roll of Taylor ham or pork roll, whatever you want to call it. You slice it up, you fry it up, you have to cook it, you slice it up, you fry it up, and you make it, and you can put it in a sandwich with eggs, on your hamburger. It's called the lumberjack down on the Jersey Shore. Or you can have it Taylor ham and eggs on a bagel. It's delicious. So come along with me. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Super simple, easy. We're going to have some fun. We're going to save some money. It is an easy, simple dinner for you to have any night of the week, or even for breakfast or a Sunday brunch, whatever you like. So come on along. Here we go. Did you see it? Where is it? Yeah, right there. There it is. Get one. Did you find your Taylor ham at the grocery store? This is it. This is what it looks like. That's it. In the red box. Open it up. And it is vacuum sealed. See it? It's vacuum sealed. You need a scissors to cut this open. And then you're going to get ready to fry it up. Time to fry it up. Make sure you cut little slits all around your slices of Taylor ham. This way it doesn't curl up while you're frying it. Now you want to flip them over. Next, you're going to make some eggs, and the traditional way to have Taylor ham and egg sandwich is a egg over hard, they call it. This way the yolk is done.